In a recent court win against the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, XRP, the digital currency created by Ripple Labs, has emerged victorious. The victory has breathed new life into the cryptocurrency market, with XRP potentially poised for significant bullish momentum. In this video, we'll take a look at why XRP might be bullish to the moon now. On March 22, 2021, U.S. District Judge Sarah Napburn granted Ripple Labs' motion to compel the SEC to produce documents that relate to the regulator's classification of Bitcoin and Ethereum as non-securities. Ripple argued that the SEC's position on XRP's status as a security was inconsistent with its previous classification of these two cryptocurrencies, and the court agreed. This is a significant win for Ripple Labs, as it could potentially lead to the dismissal of the SEC's case against the company. The court ruling has given XRP investors renewed confidence in the cryptocurrency. Following the news, XRP saw a significant surge in price, climbing over 20% in just 24 hours. This is an indication that investors see the court ruling as a positive development for XRP and are more bullish on the cryptocurrency's prospects than they were before. Ripple Labs has been expanding its partnerships with financial institutions around the world, which could potentially drive demand for XRP in the future. For example, in February 2021, Ripple announced a partnership with Novati Group, an Australian payments technology company, to enable its customers to send and receive payments in real time across borders. This partnership is just one example of Ripple Labs' efforts to grow its network and increase the adoption of XRP. Following the court ruling, there is speculation that XRP could be relisted on major cryptocurrency exchanges that delisted the cryptocurrency after the SEC filed its lawsuit against Ripple Labs in December 2020. For example, Coinbase, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, delisted XRP in January 2021, citing the SEC's lawsuit as the reason. If XRP is relisted on these exchanges, it could potentially drive up demand for the cryptocurrency and increase its price. Ripple Labs' focus on the remittance market has been a key driver of XRP's adoption. Remittance is the transfer of money from one country to another, typically by migrant workers sending money back to their home country. According to the World Bank, remittance flows to low and middle income countries reached a record high of $540 billion in 2020, with the average cost of sending money at 6.5%. Ripple Labs' payment network, RippleNet, offers a cheaper and faster alternative, with transactions settled in seconds and at a fraction of the cost of traditional remittance methods. As more financial institutions and payment providers adopt RippleNet, it could potentially drive up demand for XRP. Unlike other cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum, which are primarily used as stores of value or as a means of payment, XRP has a unique use case as a bridge currency. XRP is used as a bridge currency in RippleNet to facilitate cross-border payments. When a payment is made between two currencies that are not directly tradable, XRP is used as an intermediary currency to facilitate the transaction. This unique use case gives XRP an important role in the global financial system and could potentially drive up demand for the cryptocurrency. Institutional investors have been showing increased interest in cryptocurrencies in recent years, and XRP is no exception. For example, in February 2021, Grayscale Investments, one of the largest digital currency asset managers, announced that it had added XRP to its Grayscale Digital Large Cap Fund. This move indicates that institutional investors see XRP as a valuable asset and are willing to invest in it. As more institutional investors enter the market, it could potentially drive up demand for XRP. One of the main concerns that investors have with cryptocurrencies is regulatory uncertainty. The SEC's lawsuit against Ripple Labs in December 2020 added to this uncertainty, causing many investors to shy away from XRP. However, the recent court ruling has brought some much-needed regulatory clarity to the XRP market. Investors now have a clear understanding of XRP's status as a cryptocurrency, which could potentially lead to increased investor confidence and higher demand for XRP. Ripple Labs has been actively innovating and expanding its product offerings beyond XRP. For example, in March 2021, the company announced that it had acquired a 40% stake in Tranglo, a cross-border payment specialist in Asia. This acquisition will allow Ripple Labs to expand its payment network and increase its presence in the Asia-Pacific region. As Ripple Labs continues to innovate and expand, it could potentially drive up demand for XRP as well. However, as with all investments, it is important to conduct your own research and make informed decisions. The recent court win for XRP against the SEC, coupled with growing interest from institutional investors, improved regulatory clarity, and Ripple Labs' innovation and growth potential could potentially drive significant bullish momentum for the cryptocurrency. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you with another interesting video.